I'm TJ Watts with Tri-County Slayers. Got the first coyote of the year with the R25. Come in, 60 yards, Fox Pro collar. TJ Watts and Jordan Talbert here in Mason County shot us another coyote. On our first setup, came in about 2 minutes, blasted it about 80 yards. Just came from another hunt. One came in on us about 60 yards and I missed it, but that's okay. I think we got some shooting going on in the video. It kind of snuck up on us. Thanks.
Did you try to live on your